Welcome to the RegPack Emails Overview. This tutorial will help you get comfortable with creating emails and setting them to send automatically. Let's take a look around. Create a new email by clicking Create New Email, and create categories to organize your emails by clicking Create New Category here. You'll see that some default emails have already been set up for you. You can edit these and future emails by hovering over them and clicking Edit Subject or Body. Change the name or category of the email by clicking Edit Properties. Within this menu, you can also delete an email or add a trigger. Set your emails to send automatically with a trigger, or conditional logic. You can see if an email has a trigger set up here. If there's a purple lightning bolt, your email is ready to go. Let's create an email and go over the tools you can use within an email. Click Create New Email and name it. We'll name this one Training Email for now. Click the category dropdown to assign it to a category. You'll see that some are already set up for you, but you can set up any categories you'd like to organize things the way you want. Click Create New Email to open up the Edit Subject or Body menu. Here, you'll see a subject line, body text box, rich text editor, and token menu. Change the makeup of your text using the rich text editor. If you'd like to add some HTML to jazz up your email, click Source to see the source code of your email. As a side note, our support team does not provide HTML support, but you'll be able to edit things to your liking here and get familiar with HTML in the process if you aren't already. You can add font styling, numbered or bullet lists, a table, align your text, and more without using HTML, as our rich text editor will create it for you. Tokens are an easy solution for adding data from your registrant's forms and other items into your emails. Navigate the token menu to find any information you need to plug in. Simply click Add next to the name, and your token will appear where your cursor is within your email text. You can use our search bar to find a partial or whole name of the token you're looking for. If you'd like to add information that wasn't captured within the forms, such as what your registrant's balance is, how much they've paid, or when their next payment is due, head to System Tokens to view this information and more. Use Cart List to display what your registrant has ordered. If you have a family system, keep in mind that you'll be sending one email per registrant, and those registrants are on the sub-level. Head to Subunit System Tokens to find the cart list on that level. To set an email to send automatically, hover over it and click Trigger. A side panel will pop up letting you know who the designated recipients are, who it's sending from, and whether it's set to send only once. Click Set the To Recipients to determine which email address you'd like to send to. You'll be able to select from any of the email addresses captured within the system, as well as any that's listed within your admins under Admin Management. Let's set this one to send to Parent Guardian Number 1 email, as that's our account owner. Click Set Recipients to head back to the trigger menu. To set who the email is going to come from, click From here. Your choices will include any admins under Admin Management. Click Set as Sender to choose your sender. Now, we can choose what action causes our email to send. Click the purple Set Trigger Conditions here. You'll see what might be a familiar menu, the trigger menu that you can find across the system. Here are some common triggers you might use. Under Registration, you'll see User Account Created and Child Created. These will send once an account is created on the head and subunit level, respectively. Keep in mind that once the action you're choosing happens, the email will send, and nothing captured after that action can be used in the email as a token. If you'd like to send additional information, just keep in mind when in the registration process the trigger will occur. One of the most common triggers is under Payments. Payment was marked as approved. This will send an email to the designated recipient once they've successfully submitted their payment, so it makes for a good receipt trigger. Feel free to navigate the trigger menu to explore all of the possibilities. View our other tutorials for additional questions on setting up reports, forms, products, and other items, and don't forget to reach out to our lovely support team at support@regpacks.com if you need any assistance.